Hey there, this is Mytechworld, and today in this video we are going to turn on parental control in YouTube. If you like our video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First open YouTube. Then go to Settings. Click on General. You will see Restricted Mode. It will be off, just turn it on. It will not completely disable adult videos but will stop them to an extent. The other simple way is, you can download YouTube Kids. This will contain videos only made for kids.